Our journey through Poland continues as we begin on a new adventure to another charming city, Krakow. Following our adventure in Warsaw, where we discovered the best the city has to offer, including must-see sites and delicious Polish cuisine. You can also catch the highlights in the Warsaw video linked in the description below. From the heart of Warsaw Central train station, I took a train headed to Krakow. The station was clean and modern. Let me show you what a 15 euros economy class train ticket can get you in Poland. I had the entire cabin to myself for a while. It was clean and the seats were comfortable. There were also enough places for bags. And the toilet was super clean and modern. There is a food service on board where you can purchase snacks and drinks at affordable prices. Later, a very friendly woman joined the cabin and she tried to speak with me even though she didn't understand English. After 2.5 hours, we arrived at Krakow train station. I waited to assist my cabin friend in catching her next train as she was a bit stressed. In the end, she was very happy and grateful for my help. Krakow train station is located just a 15-minute walk from the old town. I stayed at the Greg and Tom Beer House Hostel, one of the best social hostels in the heart of the old town. Prices start from 19 euros per night, which includes breakfast, a dinner buffet, and free drinks. Yes, you heard me right. Let me show you. I booked a 6-bed dorm, and the room was clean. Sheets were included. The mattress was okay, but it could be more comfortable. There is also a safety box for each guest, as well as a large locker. I had a nice view from the window of the old town. This is the kitchen, where you will always find some snacks and food left from breakfast. There is a big fridge if you bring your own food. Free coffee and different kinds of tea, as well as some fruits. You will find everything you might need if you would like to cook your food. There were a lot of showers to use and they were clean. Every morning, the hostel serves a breakfast buffet. Look at this, guys. I've never seen such a big variety of food options in any hostel before. You will find everything for your taste, and all of that is included in the price. Not only that, every evening you will also have a free dinner with a free beer. The staff organizes evening parties every night. I highly recommend this hostel if you want to have fun in Krakow. Krakow is the second largest and one of the oldest cities in Poland. It served as the official capital of Poland until 1596. Krakow Old Town is the historic central district of Krakow and one of the most famous old districts in Poland. Today, Krakow's Old Town is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, showcasing the city's rich history and cultural heritage. Strolling through its charming cobblestone streets, colorful buildings, historic churches, and lively market squares. The main market square is one of the largest in Europe and serves as a hub of activity, surrounded by cafes, restaurants, and the iconic St. Mary's Church. St. Mary's Basilica is one of the most famous churches in Poland. The building was destroyed during the Mongol invasion of Poland. Between 1290 and 1300, the new early Gothic church was built on the remaining foundations. It was consecrated 20 years later in 1320. This Gothic structure features two striking towers of different heights and amazingly rich decoration inside. As you explore, you will find hidden gems at every corner. Krakow's Old Town is a place where history meets the present, offering a unique and unforgettable experience for all who visit. Now, let's explore further into Krakow's historic past. Just a few minutes walk from the Old Town, we arrive at Wawel Royal Castle, one of the city's most famous attractions. Situated high on a limestone hill overlooking the 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐬 River, Wawel Hill has a Jurassic limestone outcropping formed approximately 150 million years ago, rising nearly 228 meters above sea level. This hill has provided a safe haven for people since ancient times. Wawel Royal Castle is a timeless symbol of Poland's rich history and culture. It served as the home of Polish monarchs and the center of political power in Poland for centuries. Join me as we explore the magnificent halls and courtyards of Wawel Royal Castle. Let's begin our exploration by stepping into the heart of the Castle Museum. Here, you will find a variety of fascinating exhibitions to choose from. Established in 1930, this museum has developed into one of the nation's premier art destinations, with 10 departments housing collections spanning paintings, sculptures, textiles, goldsmiths' work, and period furniture. There is something to fascinate every art lover. Notably, the museum has the largest collection of Ottoman tents in Europe, adding an interesting touch to its offerings. If you are passionate about art and history, I recommend arriving early, as you may find yourself lost in exploration for hours. For more information, you can visit the website of the Castle Museum, linked in the description below. As we step out of the Castle Museum, we find ourselves in a historic site that is not only home to the magnificent castle, but also hosts several other significant landmarks, including the iconic Wawel Cathedral. Wawel Cathedral holds a special place in the history of the Polish state, as it served as the church of Polish kings for 400 years. Situated at the summit of the hill, Wawel Cathedral is a true masterpiece of Polish Gothic architecture. Dating back to the 14th century, this sacred place has witnessed coronations, royal weddings, and burials of Poland's monarchs and nobles. Visitors can also climb the tower of the church via 70 steps to see the Sigismund bell cast in 1520. It measures 2 meters in height and 2.5 meters in width and weighs 11 tons. Additionally, within the cathedral premises, visitors can explore the Wawel Cathedral Museum, which showcases a diverse collection of artifacts and treasures reflecting Poland's religious and cultural heritage. The museum offers insights into the cathedral's significance and its role in shaping Poland's history. We can't end our exploration of the Wawel Royal Castle without stopping by the legendary Wawel Dragon. This mythical creature is an integral part of Krakow's folklore and adds a touch of magic to the castle's surroundings. According to legend, the Wawel Dragon once terrorized the city until it was outsmarted and defeated by the brave shoemaker 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐿. Today, visitors can see a statue of the Wawel Dragon at the foot of the Wawel Hill near the 𝐦𝐸𝐿 River, breathing fire, captivating the imaginations of locals and tourists alike. Today, I am going to visit one of the coolest and most unique places in Krakow. It's called Wieliczka Salt Mine. It's UNESCO World Heritage Site and it must visit when you travel to Krakow. Our journey through Krakow's rich history takes us to another remarkable site, the Wieliczka Salt Mine, located just outside Krakow. I boarded a direct bus, number 304, just from outside the Galeria Krakowska. The ride took around 45 minutes and cost only 6 zloty, which is less than €1.5. The Wieliczka Salt Mine is one of Poland's most impressive attractions, dating back to the 13th century. This site is a proof of centuries of mining history in Poland. Going deep into the earth, visitors are greeted by a labyrinth of tunnels and the breathtaking salt sculptures carved by generations of miners. Explore the underground lakes, chapels adorned with intricate salt carvings, and even an underground salt cathedral. The Wieliczka Salt Mine offers a fascinating glimpse into the region's geological and cultural heritage, making it a must-visit destination for travelers to Krakow. To make the most of your visit, I highly recommend arriving early in the morning and booking your tour ticket in advance. The tour always takes place under the supervision of a guide with the proficiency in many languages, ensuring an informative and immersive experience for all visitors.
Last Supper, site Church of Resurrection, and the last one is Doubting Thomas. Let's have a look at chandeliers, also decorated by salt crystals, really huge chandeliers. And floor, actually floor is a regular floor from this place, cast that looks like floor and polished by visitors.
For more details, you can find the link to the Salt Mine's website in the description below. Thank you for being part of this journey. I hope you found the video helpful for planning your trip to Krakow. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos from around the world.